Uh-oh. What? Can you give yourself some more yogurt? Oh, give yourself some water? Martha, why don't you eat another bite? Yeah. Is that yummy? What is that? Yum yum? Hey Martha, who lives next door to us? Oh, that's a tricky move. Well done. Two-handed. Look at that upside down left arm. Wow. What are you gonna, oh, you got yourself out of that one. Good job. Hey Martha, what does a blender say? What? What about a cat? What does a cat say? No, what does a cat say? What about a cat that's stuck in a blender? Martha, do you like cookies?
Okay.
They're not quite as good as yogurt though, are they? Do you want some more yogurt? Yum, yum, yum. More?
No.
Oh wow, look at you. You're going to be the star of YouTube. Now we just have to figure out what clever tags we can put on it so we can get lots of hits.
No.
No, would that be dishonest? Hey Martha, where's your cheeks?
Keep.
Can you show us your cheeks?
Keep.
Maybe if I mention Britney Spears. Yes, very good. And cheeks.
Keep.
And give me more. Maybe we'll get lots of hits then.